Versatile, quiet and robust, the Husky range is ideal for wardrobes, internal doors and room dividers. Available in 2 weights for doors weighing up to 50 kilograms and 100 kilograms, with an array of optional extras available such as soft stop, low headroom and simultaneous action kits, and a range of handles, locks and tracks. There are many alternatives to choose from to make this system unique. Please refer to the fitting instructions for the detail of the routing prior to installation. The kit: track, guide, spanner, clip stop, track stop, apron plates, brackets, fittings pack, hangers. The tools: drill, tape measure, Allen key, screwdriver, electric or manual, spirit level, spanners, set square. Fitting the hangers to the door. Firstly, we need to assemble the Husky hangers as shown. Then assemble the rubber track stop as shown. Then start by marking out the 2 hanger positions from each edge of the door. This should be 120 mm to the center point of the apron plate. Line the hanger apron plates along the center of the door, and then mark out the pilot holes for the hanger screws. Drill the 4 pilot holes for each hanger. Then, using an electric or manual screwdriver, attach the hangers to the door using the screws provided in the kit, ensuring that the apron plates are fixed the same way around. Fitting the face-fixing brackets. Using the nuts and bolts provided in the kit, attach a face-fix bracket to each of the pre-drill holes in the track. Tighten the self-locking nuts, ensuring the track side face is in line with the wall-facing side of the bracket. Installing the track to the wall. Measure the location of the track height from the top of the opening and clearly mark out with a pencil. Position the track against the height marking on the wall and check it is level using a spirit level. Using a pencil, draw a line along the top of the full length of the track. Holding the track firmly in place, screw the first track fixing into the wall. Check the track level again and screw the second wall fixing in place at the opposite end. Once you are happy that the track is still level, use the other screws to secure the track in place. Hanging the door on the track. Now we can hang the door. Insert into the end of the track the rubber track stop, the two hangers, and the clip stop. Ensure the hangers are the correct way around so they work with the clip stop. Lift the door into position and line the apron plates fixed to the top of the door with the hangers in the track. Lift the door up and hook the hanger bolt heads onto the horseshoe slots in the apron plates. Test the door is running correctly and smoothly by sliding the door up and down the track. Using the spanner provided on the hanger bolt heads, adjust the height of the door so there is the correct clearance gap under the door and level the door off if required. When correct, use the same spanner to tighten and lock off the lock nut. Fitting the guide to the floor. Once the door is in place, we need to fit the floor guide. Position the guide on the floor so it will run in the pre-routed groove under the door, and mark out the pilot hole positions. Drill the pilot holes with the electric drill if necessary. Using the electric or manual screwdriver, use the screws provided in the kit to secure the guide to the floor. Fitting the stops. Now we need to slide the track stops into position so that the door doesn't run out of the track in operation. Slide the clip stop to the correct position and using a 5mm Allen key, hand tighten the two lock bolts. Adjust the clip stop tension as desired. Slide the rubber track stop into the track and fix in the correct place. A full range of accessories are available for this system, including fascia, handles and locks. Visit www.pchenderson.com for more information.